the heck? Hey. Welcome back to the Handy Landlord. Alright, this is single-handedly the creepiest thing that I've found in this place, beside the sink. I've removed a few old carpet jobs before, and this padding's definitely different. I've seen this carpet is definitely pretty old. Yeah, really nice looking hardwood floors underneath. Unfortunately, I'm not going to keep those. I'm just going to lay carpet back over top of these floors. I'm going to get the rest of this cleaned up and throw it in the dumpster. Before carpet. Flooring in here is getting laid tomorrow. All this is going to be carpeted with gray carpet, gray LVT, and they're also putting cove base in the kitchen. All these rooms are done. I just threw that up real quick. Let's block that off. Didn't have my nailer with me, or I would have hit that with nails. But yeah, so this room's getting carpet. This room's getting carpet. They're already painted, done. This room's getting carpet. Everything's piled in the bathroom. So, and then the living room's getting carpet. Carpet all the closets, or yeah, they're supposed to carpet all the closets also. Kind of see. This house has made a huge turnaround in a short amount of time. It's definitely came a long ways, but yep. So I'm just getting ready to close up. About 8 o'clock. Wrapping it all up. This will all be carpeted tomorrow. And then they're gonna, so in the kitchen here, they're going to lay flooring, the luxury vinyl plank. So they're gonna lay flooring in here, and then they're also going to put cove base up. This is actually the first time that I've ever used this particular contractor, so but this is like a little dining area. All right, here's the kitchen. Looks pretty good.